Hey guys, what's going on? This is Gary with Appalachian Lighting Innovations. So we're here with our latest install. This is a personal vehicle for the lieutenant of the Salisbury Volunteer Fire Department. He had purchased the lights off of us before and had just recently upgraded to a newer GMC. This is, I believe, a 2019 Sierra 1500. So he came back to us to have us reinstall all the lights again. And this is basically what we got, guys. So on this model up front, we got two Fusion dual color 40-degree optics with custom plates mounted right here in the top of the grill. The customer did not want these wired up to the steady burn override feature, so we just left them at the red and white flashing. And then up in the top passenger corner of the windshield, customer wanted a dash light. This is the Fusion DX2, and we got a combination of 180 and 40-degree optics. Now this is a single color, so it's only red, and this is where the customer wanted it mounted up in the passenger window. So if we go around to the back here, we'll check out what we did to the rear. Alright guys, so on the rear, keep in mind this is all equipment that he had purchased off of us and we just reinstalled. We have two cannons firing away in the rear tail lights. We wired these in to steady burn if he kicks it in reverse, so he has additional white lighting to the rear so he can see where he's going when he's backing up, or see what's behind him a lot easier. On the license plate, we have the Viviox surface mount LEDs, red-white split on their tag bracket, and as you can see, in the middle of broad daylight, these things are firing away and they are very visible. So Viviox are good lights. Phoenix is really good lights. So the customer's really happy with the install. He's really happy with his lights. If you guys are interested in getting something similar set up like this for your fire department, responding to calls, or if you do road service, or just simply would like to have some emergency lighting to show off to your friends, you know, at parties or whatever, give us a call. We can hook you up. 301-910-4114. And remember guys, we don't just do emergency lighting, we also do truck accessories and vehicle accessories. So as you can see right here, we got a tonneau cover. Now I believe the customer had purchased this from the dealership, but we can get the trifold tonneau covers, we can get the hard tonneau covers, the vent visors that go on the side of your windows, and the WeatherTech floor mats. We do aftermarket wheels and tires, like mud tires, so on and so forth. So if you guys are looking for accessories for your vehicle, you know, other than emergency lighting, because obviously I know not everybody has the means for that, but if you guys are looking for accessories for your vehicle to protect it against the elements, give us a call. We can definitely work with you and we can hook you up. We do have some catalogs available, so if you would like, get us an email address or a physical address and we can send you something out. So that's it guys. So if you like what you see, like I said, give us a call. We can definitely hook you up. We will definitely work with departments on department purchases as well. So don't forget to like and share our page. Right now we have a promotion running. We're going to give away a $100 gift certificate. That's going to be coming up here. We're going to be posting that on our page here very shortly. But if we get to 500 likes, we're going to pick one random winner who's going to get $100 to spend on whatever they want. So that can be WeatherTech floor mats, it could be a wheel for their truck or car, anything you guys want. So make sure you like and share the page. You got to like and share the page. And once we get to 500 likes, we'll draw a random winner. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll hope to see you on the next one. Remember, give us a call, 301-910-4114. Thank you.